Lavender. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share one of my absolute favorite plants for health, healing, and happiness. Lavender, Lavandula angustifolia. This beautiful herb is more than just a treat for your senses. It's a centuries-old remedy with a depth of wellness benefits that modern science is finally confirming. I'll walk you through its history and health benefits, how you can use it at home, and how easy it is to grow so you can enjoy it straight from your garden. If you've ever strolled through a sunny meadow or past a garden ablaze with purple blooms, you've probably caught the unmistakable, soothing scent of lavender in the air. It's adored worldwide not only for its delicate flowers and heavenly fragrance, but for the remarkable effects it has on both body and mind. Supporting health. What's truly fascinating is that while lavender is known for its gentle and calming nature, it has a surprising strength when it comes to supporting health. Healers, herbalists, and everyday people have used it for hundreds of years for everything from relaxation to wound healing. Today, scientists are discovering exactly why it works so well. Lavender contains powerful natural compounds like linalool and linalool acetate, which directly influence our nervous system. They can help quiet an overactive mind, relax the body, and even lower heart rate and blood pressure. Breathing in lavender's aroma, whether from fresh blooms, essential oil, or dried flowers, signals the body to shift into a calmer, more balanced state. Research has shown that it can ease anxiety, lift low moods, and help relieve stress-related tension. Some studies have even found that lavender can reduce symptoms of depression and improve overall emotional well-being. Improve sleep. One of lavender's most famous benefits is its ability to improve sleep. Generations have placed dried sprigs in their pillows or used lavender sachets to help them drift off, and now sleep studies confirm its effectiveness. The scent of lavender not only helps you fall asleep faster, but also promotes deeper, more restorative rest, perfect for those nights when your mind just won't switch off. And lavender's gifts don't stop with the mind. They extend to the body too. Thanks to its gentle analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties, lavender can relieve headaches, muscle aches, and even menstrual discomfort. Women using lavender aromatherapy during their cycle have reported less pain and tension. Natural skin ally. It also works beautifully as a natural skin ally. Its antibacterial and antifungal actions help keep wounds clean, reduce acne flare-ups, calm eczema, and soothe sunburns or mild burns. Lavender speeds up skin's healing process while reducing irritation and redness. And if you needed one more reason to love it, early research suggests that massaging diluted lavender oil into the scalp may encourage hair growth and improve hair health overall. Lavender even has antioxidant properties that help defend your cells against the damage caused by stress, pollution, and normal aging. Day-to-day life. So, how can you use lavender in your day-to-day life? The simplest way is through aromatherapy. Diffusing lavender essential oil in your home is a beautiful ritual that fills the air with calm and clarity. You can inhale it directly from a handful of fresh or dried flowers, or by adding a few drops of essential oil to a bowl of steaming water and breathing it in. Lavender works wonderfully in topical applications, as long as you dilute the essential oil in a carrier like coconut or jojoba oil first. A gentle temple or neck massage with this blend can help relieve headaches or melt away muscle tension. You can also infuse lavender into an oil base to create homemade salves and creams for soothing burns, bug bites, rashes, or dry skin. For an internal, gentler approach, try lavender tea. Steep a teaspoon of dried buds in hot water for several minutes, and you'll have a floral, calming infusion that eases digestion and helps you relax day or night. rewarding to grow. If you love the idea of having constant access to fresh lavender, you'll be happy to know it's incredibly rewarding to grow. Lavender loves full sun, so choose the sunniest spot in your garden that gets at least 6 hours of light each day. It thrives in well-drained, slightly alkaline soil and doesn't enjoy wet feet, so if your soil is heavy, mix in sand or small gravel to help water drain away. Young plants need regular watering while they're establishing roots, but once mature, they prefer a bit of dryness and can tolerate drought beautifully. Give your plants about a foot or more of space between each one to allow fresh air to circulate, which keeps them healthy and more resistant to disease. Once flowering begins, you can harvest blooms just as they open for peak fragrance and potency. Tie them in small bundles and hang them upside down in a cool, shaded place to dry. Lavender and other herbs. Lavender also works in harmony with other herbs. Try lavender and chamomile together to create a super soothing tea or skin blend. Lavender and calendula adds even more skin healing magic when infused together in oils. Lavender and rose lends gentle toning and a romantic scent, while lavender and peppermint brings a refreshing lift that works beautifully in teas, oils, or foot soaks. In the kitchen, a pinch of lavender alongside rosemary or thyme can create unexpectedly delightful depth in both sweet and savory dishes, though a little truly goes a long way. Lavender is much more than a pretty garden flower. It's a timeless wellness ally that touches every aspect of health, mind, body, and spirit. From melting away stress to helping your skin heal, from improving your sleep to adding beauty and fragrance to your home, lavender has earned its place as one of the most beloved herbs in the world. Plant it, use it, share it, and let this fragrant, purple bloom bring a little more peace and wellness into your life every single day. Thanks so much for joining me on this journey into the world of lavender. If you enjoyed learning about this incredible herb, please give the video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you never miss new herbal tips and guides. I'd love to hear from you too. Share your own lavender stories, growing tips, or favorite uses in the comments below. Until next time, keep nurturing your wellness, one herb at a time.